Welcome back, guys. This is a continuation of where we stopped last class. Um, I introduced a topic to you, which is table, in our last class, right? So we are continuing from where we stopped in the last class. So I already explained. sorry, I already I already explained what table is, right? I said table is a representation of data in rows and column, right? And I told you that this tag here. Hmm, is the declaration of the border of your table, how bold you want your table to be, right? Let's just play around with this code, right? Let's change it to 5 pixel. You see that it is bigger, right? 5 pixel, 10 pixel, it will be more bigger. You see, so that's how to declare how you want your table border to be, right? Let's put it back to 2. I think this is okay, right? Okay, I hope we all understand what this tag is doing, right? This is your table head. This is what will be in the head of your table, and this TR is your table rows, and this TD is your table data. So in today's class, we are going to move further in this table of a thing, right? So before we have state and capital only, but now we are going to add another thing, which is their logo, the state's logo, right? Let's just put logo. Okay. Before we proceed, we are going to import some images into our folder. This is our folder, and here I have already created a table file. So the next thing is to import some images that we'll be using for our logo in our coding. Okay, import file. I hope you already know how to import files, right? Okay, so screenshot. Let me import all these logos because we're going to be using them, right? Okay, import. There we have them here. So this is Abia State. Let's rename everything. Okay, um Abia State. Why not call, okay, Abia State? The next one, this is Akwa Ibom, right? Akwa Ibom. Don't let us put state again. Akwa Ibom. And this is Ebonyi. 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 And here we have Ogun State. Here we have Zamfara, right? Zamfara. And this one, Lagos State. That's our state, right? Most of us. Lagos. Biggest city in Nigeria. Um, Here we have Anambra, and here we have Kano, and lastly we have Imo State. Imo. Yeah, we already have all the images we'll be using now, right? So the states we have here are Abia, Akwa Ibom, Anambra, Ebonyi, Imo, Kano, Lagos, Ogun State, Zamfara, right? So um let's view our code first. You can see we have our states, capitals, and logo, right? So the third table data for Lagos now will be logo table data. We are going to declare an image tag and just put Lagos.png. Lagos.png. Is it working? Yes, it is working. Why is it this big? Because the width and the height of the image, we have not declared it, right? So here in this image tag, um the width is going to be let's use 200 pixel. You can see it's still very big. The height, the height space this, the height, let's make it just 25 pixel. You can see that. Is it working? Yes, it's working. I hope so. So that's that. That's our first. That's our first tip. The next thing, instead of coding everything, why not copy and paste? Hmm? Okay. Um, the stable data. Copy. Beer. You might hear. You might hear. Right. So Abia the PNG. Abia the PNG. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it is working, but there is an error in our code, right? We put everything in the same table row. That's why we are having that error. Okay, so each row must have this tag table row. Okay, let's close this tag. Let's fix that bug. This should be closing tag table row, and here we should have an opening tag table row, and close this. Is it working? Yes, it is working. You can see that, right? Abia Huyuma here. Abia.png. I think we have Abia file here. Okay, I name it Abia States.png. Abia State.png. Now let's see if our code is working. Yes, it's working. You can see that, right? So let's do one more, and you'll be given the rest to do as your assessment. I hope that's it's clear. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do Zamfara. Um, Zamfara, right? Let's paste this. Okay, tag table row. Don't forget. Okay, I hope you understand. Table row. Okay, Zamfara. Mind you, don't copy and paste your code. Try to code everything by yourself. Okay, don't edit anything. Just code everything by yourself, because that is the only way you can master it. Okay, Zamfara. Gusau. Zamfara Gusau. um Zamfara the PNG. Zamfara the PNG. Okay, so that is it. I hope you understand what table is and how to create table using HTML. So your assessment is, don't worry, in the class you'll be given the assessment. Okay, See you in the next class.